Thank you for watching another episode of Stallone's Reviews. Our mission is to help you decide what to love making next. Stay tuned at the end of this video for a talk about whether shopping on Temu is right for you. A big thank you to all who have subscribed to our channel. Please hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. We are trying to reach 150 subscribers by the end of October. Only 5 more to go. Today, we are reviewing the Michael Myers house. On the Stallone's Reviews rock scale of hardness of 1 being easy and 10 being rock hard, I'd give this kit a 7.5. There were 80 pages in the instructions, which were actually very easy to follow. Like, I had no trouble finding where I was supposed to put pieces. You might have realized that our channel doesn't typically review brand name Lego kits, because to us, that would be like reviewing whether Gordon Ramsay's cooking is any good. Of course, it is. What you need to know, and the question we want to answer for you is this brick kit a Lego quality or a cheap experience? I'd say it's nearly Lego quality, except for a few parts where they continuously fell apart until I was able to get to the part where I put the connecting pieces in. Other than that, it was great. There were 586 pieces in this build, of which none were missing. The pieces went together fairly easily, but some parts continuously fell off the base until connecting pieces were put on top. It didn't really come with any accessories, but I found it fun that they gave the Michael Myers figurine a little brick knife. I liked how the house looked really run down, just like how it did in the movies, how it had the iconic jack-o'-lanterns, and how they have Michael Myers figurine with a brick knife. I didn't like how I had to continuously put 2 wall pieces on and how hard it was to figure out how to put the roof on. Yes, a beginner could do and enjoy this kit so long as they don't mind a little frustration. I would definitely do this again, as it was quite fun. Did you build one of these Michael Myers houses? What did you think? Put your comments down below. Please like and subscribe to see our latest videos. I hope this review helped you decide if you wanted to make one of your own Michael Myers houses. If you're in a position to support us on Patreon, please click our link in the description. We have a camera that needs to be replaced. For $3 a month, you get ad-free access to our videos. That $3 could help you decide what to love building next. Let's talk about Temu for a minute. I was very skeptical, and their app is just like a very nutty game show. But now I'm convinced. When was the last time Amazon gave you money back for the latest arrival of your product? Yeah, never. Temu will give you money back if a product shows up late. How much back? I got $13 back on a $145 shipment that arrived 1 day late. They sell the same goods as Amazon for literally a few bucks to double digits worth of discount. Though, admittedly, sometimes that means your goods won't come in a box. The app regularly gives you opportunities for discounts and even free merch, but please be careful. It's a little scammy, but once you figure out how to make it work for you, you can save a lot over what you would pay at Amazon, again, for the exact same product. So think about it. Click the link in the description if you want to give it a whirl, and prepare for the roller coaster ride that is the Temu app.
I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.